I think people are a bit unaware of the possibilities that you have already today by handling large amounts of data. Let's just take a simple example. How many meters of roads are there on this planet? Let's say 10 meters per person or 1 meter per person, probably less. So let's say 10 billion meters of road. If I want to mark 1 meter as a number, so then I need to represent a number of the order of 10 billion. It's just a couple of bytes. It's not much data. Suppose now I would like to trace the position of a car once an hour. That means that every hour I need to write this small amount of data, a few bytes for every car. How many cars do we have on the planet? Let's say 1 billion, probably much less. 1 billion, that's a giga. So every hour I need a couple of gigabytes. This is nothing. A couple of gigabytes per hour, that costs nothing, costs a few dollars. Which means that storing all information about the position of every car on this planet forever, anyone could do essentially, once you had it. And there are tons of these kind of informations that could be available and could be accessible and could be used. This is on the edge of big data. Big data may be even bigger amounts of data, but we should remember that those kind of stuff can be handled now with the right tools. For example, in a large corporation, you may have transactions. You may have, let's say, 10 million transactions per day. That's not a problem. 10 million transactions can be handled. It can be analyzed. You can, for example, in our platform, you can use transactions to evaluate bids in the future. You can run your bids against your transactions. It doesn't matter that you have 10 millions per day. It's nothing. And people have to get used to this, that you can really handle large amounts of data. You can do it automatically. You can set constraints over it. You can optimize. This is kind of scary and also amazing, fantastic. If you use it in the right hands, you can really get great results out.